Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to view saved password on your Google Chrome. As you see guys, I will give you a simple method to view and change each password saved on your Google Chrome. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Google Chrome browser. Then on the top and right there is three lines. Then tap on three lines. Then guys, you need to scroll to settings section. Then click on settings. Then guys, go directly to the left side, autofill and password. Then click on autofill. As you see guys, this is on the top. As you see guys, on the top there is Google Password Manager. Then click on Google Password Manager. As you see guys, this is your all applications saved password on your Google Chrome. Then for example, I have aliexpress.com. Then click on it. Then guys, then I need to add my laptop password. Then guys, this is the username and the password and the website. If you want to go on the website, then you can. If you want to show and then if you want to see the password, just click on this icon, or you can copy the password, or you can edit on the bottom. Then if you want to edit, click on edit. Then you can edit the username and also the password. As you see guys, this is the easy method to view and change the saved password on your Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.